I went to jail many times. I went to jail about 9 times before I hit prison. I was tired. I was tired of doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results, and the result was always the same, ending up back in jail. Every time I went to jail, I prayed. I said, "Man, I don't want to be that person no more. I don't want to be that 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 person, and that guilt, that shame, that remorse would come in." I got out of prison in 2018 September. Had no car, had no job, and I had a bicycle that was flat, and I put it on the tires, and I would go to the DRC center on my bicycle. Oh, I just want to let you guys know that get honest with yourself. I always knew there was a better way to live, and I just didn't care about it. So I thought I didn't care. That every time I got busted and I got out, I stayed clean for a little while, and then I went back and I went back. Today I found that peace. My oldest son is 29 years old, and I would go visit him. He wouldn't let me into his house, man, and it would hurt. It would hurt me to not have that relationship with my son. And today, man, since I've been clean, he lets my grandson go with me to the fair. He invites me like, "Dad, I'm making a barbecue, man. Come on over and have a barbecue." What a blessing to have that relationship with my kids now, man. For them to invite me over, I wouldn't change it for the world. I wouldn't change it for the world, man. And if you guys have kids, you guys have grandchildren, you have a mom, believe me, they need you. And my mom's 90 years old. I'm 52 years old, and I still need my mom. What makes me think that my kids don't need me? So I just pray that you guys make that decision and get yourself a purpose in life. That I thank God because He gives us that freedom to choose. So it's up to you what you want to choose today. You want to continue in that path, or you want something better for your life, man. And I choose recovery now.